Dear students, welcome to science class. Today I'd like to show your new science textbook for 7th class. So here is your science textbook. From this I'm going to explain the first lesson. Before going to explain the first lesson, I'd like to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer? Tell me the names of some food items which we use to eat as breakfast. Yes, you are right. We used to eat upma, idli, dosa, puri, vada, uttappam, etc. as our breakfast. Okay? Then I'll ask second question. What we used to eat as lunch or dinner? Yes, we used to eat rice, different types of curries, curd, vegetables, fruits, etc. Then the third question is, why should we eat? What is the use of food to us? Yes, you are right. We are eating food to get energy, to grow, and to be healthy. We require energy to do some work. If you want to do something, if you want to do some work, you need energy. And to grow also, you require energy. From where we are getting this energy? By eating food. So, our first lesson is food for health. The name of our first lesson is food for health. In this lesson, you are going to learn components of food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins, dietary fibers, water, balanced diet, and healthy lifestyle. So these are the topics you are going to learn in this lesson. After completion of this lesson, you are able to state the components of food and you are able to classify the components of food, and you can conduct the experiments to identify the food components, and you can define balanced diet and malnutrition. You can give examples for deficiency diseases due to malnutrition, and you can apply healthy lifestyle in daily life. In our school, midday meal is served daily as per daily menu chart. Is the menu same for all days? No. You are served with different food items like chickpeas, sweet pongal, vegetable rice, eggs, etc. Each and every food item is made up of one or more ingredients. Every ingredient has one or more nutrients or components. What are these components? The components or nutrients means the substances which are present in food that are helpful for giving us energy and helpful for growth and repair of an organism are called as food components or nutrients. అంటే మనం తీసుకునే ఆహారంలో ఏవైతే పదార్థాలు పెరుగుదలకి, శక్తినివ్వడానికి, అలాగే బాడీలో జరిగే రిపేర్స్కి ఉపయోగపడతాయో అలాంటి పదార్థాలని న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అని కానీ కాంపోనెంట్స్ అని కానీ పిలుస్తారు. తెలుగులో అయితే వీటిని పోషకాలు లేదా ఆహారంలోని అంశాలు అని పిలుస్తారు. సో దీస్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్ గివ్ us energy, keep us healthy and help in the growth and repair of our body. These food components are of 5 types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. These 5 components are very important or essential for our body. Some of these components like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are required in large quantities. So, these are called macronutrients. అంటే మనం చెప్పుకున్నటువంటి 5 కాంపోనెంట్స్లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, ప్రోటీన్స్, ఫ్యాట్స్ అనేవి మన శరీరానికి కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా అవసరం అవుతాయి, ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో అవసరం అవుతాయి. కాబట్టి వీటిని ఏమంటారు? మ్యాక్రో న్యూట్రియంట్స్. We need minerals and vitamins in very less quantity. So, they are called micronutrients. అంటే మన శరీరానికి మినరల్స్ ఇంకా విటమిన్స్ అనేవి చాలా తక్కువ మొత్తంలో సరిపోతాయి అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి వీటిని మైక్రో న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అంటారు. సో ఫుడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ కెన్ బి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients means the components which are required in larger quantities. ఏవైతే ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో మనకు అవసరం అవుతాయో అవి మ్యాక్రో న్యూట్రియంట్స్. మనకి తక్కువ మొత్తంలో అవసరమయ్యేవి మైక్రో న్యూట్రియంట్స్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్. లెట్ us continue in our next class.